Hi everyone, I have a project here that I have made using Paper Phenomenon tutorial, and the name of the project was called Project 365 A Year in Review, and they are a series of folios that Kathy King designed and has available in classes. So if I can find it, I will link it in the description below. So this photo folio is 11 inches by 9 inches. This one is from one of the first quarters, and the paper selection that I used was something that I've had in my stash for a while. And these are just some of the images. It's just a beautiful paper line. It's from Peon, I don't know if that's how you say it, Designs, and it's a collection from 2014, and this one's called My Precious Daughter. And like I say, some of the images, it's just gorgeous. So yeah, I have made this, and with the leftovers I have I've also used a few sheets of the Paris flea market. You know, this is some of the stuff that I have left over, and I have made a little junk journal with the leftovers. So if you want to see this video, just click on my videos and you'll see it. I will be uploading it shortly after the folio. So yeah, so look for Project 365 A Year in Review, and I will try and link it below if I remember when I upload this. So like I say, it is 9 and 11 inches, and this one I did add an extra page, so it is about 11 or 1 inch and a half or so, an inch and a half or so. On the front cover here we have a magnet closure, and then we have room for 2 photos right off the hop. This is just paper piecing. There's no belly band here or nothing. It's just the way I matted it. This is the spine, and then this is how I did the back. So on the inside, when you open it, it looks like this. See if I can center it for you guys. So on the cover here we have 3 pockets, and then a photo mat, and then this is another photo mat that I made. Some 2x2s, 4x6s, and some more 4x6s, and then that is the back. Here we have 2 pockets, or two policy envelopes, which when they open, they look like this, and then they flip open. And you can, it holds quite a few little photos in here, so. And then that's the back. So here we have a large side pocket, and here's another photo mat. And then here we have a closure with some baker twine, and it's a large pocket with a photo mat. Just love it. I love the way it matted. I love the closures. And then here is a magnet closure. And this is kind of like a booklet style. Again, lots of room for photos. And then that flips that way. This is a large pocket. And then when you flip it open, it is a large pocket on this side. And it goes right across. It's just the way I matted that this looks like this. And then this is another photo mat, which I have upside down. There we go. And then here just have a tuck spot for some tags. Beautiful images. I love this paper. And then that's the back. And here we have a bunch of pockets. So, and they go all the way down to the bottom. So lots of room for more tags and more ephemera. Beautiful page here. And then here we have a waterfall. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with my tripod, but oh. So there's the top of it. The next one. And then I did some 2x3s there. 4x6s. And then that's it. And then this is actually a pocket. And then this is the photo mat from my pocket. Like I said, I just love the paper. This is some of the Paris flea market where the blue is. This is kind of mirror pages. So we've got some magnets here. This side opens this way. And then we have a pocket over here. And then we also have a belly band here. And then on this side we have the same thing. It opens like this and like this. And then we have a pocket and we have a belly band. And it is closed with a magnet. On this page, I just did a plain layout, just like a scrapbooking layout, because it was getting pretty thick. I actually increased my spine, but then the way this is built, I had to put an extra page in it anyways, so I just decided just to keep it nice and flat and do a simple layout. Here is the last page, and here we have another closure with Baker twine. I really like how this one turned out too. So it just goes like this. It's a waterfall, but it's bigger pages, and then this is just matted with pieces. It's not a pocket or anything like that. And then this is the back. And I have, I don't know where that came from. So we have a pocket here and a pocket here. And then this is another photo mat. And these hold 5x7s. So very, very nice project. Love it. Turned out really nice. And then that's the back. So this is my mini album. It's a photo folio. It's a hardcover. And I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.